Here we go. We're gonna make ourselves a fancy little food dispenser for the whole family to enjoy, hopefully, or just the doggo, or just yourself, but we'll see. See how far you get on this. You're gonna cut yourself 4 triangles. They are gonna be 7 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters on the top, and then glue them together. Holy smokes, you did it. This is beautiful. You are feeling confident about this. Just wait, you just wait. I'm gonna break your confidence down slowly as this video goes on. So these are just popsicle sticks. I'm cutting 1-inch pieces and then about 1/2-inch pieces, and you need 4 of each because you're gonna glue them together like that and make little double hangy-doers to put the elastic on. So I'm putting this on upside down. Don't do it, Danny. Don't do that. Put the small slide down, not up, because you need something for the elastic to catch on, and I did that wrong and it caused me a lot of a grief and a headache later on down the road. I'm saving you from that. These are just a couple extra tongue grooves going on the end to hold the stick in place. This is the piece that's gonna hold the food up until the flap pulls it down. This was a little bit finicky. If it was too big, it folded. If it was too small, it folded. So it had to be the perfect size. Guess what? I did not measure it for the perfect size. So this is gonna be a fun experiment for you too. I wanna say it was probably about, I don't know, I'm gonna look at it right now. I'm trying to figure it out for you. I wanna say it was probably about 3 inches by 3 inches. And so the blue one that I'm doing right there, yeah, 3 inches by 3 inches or so. You're gonna glue on 2 more of those popsicle stick things that you made, so you can kind of see there. The elastics are gonna go over the popsicle sticks and connect with each other. And this is the moment of truth, whether you did it right or not, because I screamed at this so many times. This was supposed to be a relaxing day of craft making, and it was not. But this is the final one when I actually got it right, and then I'm kind of dropping it because I'm like, oh, for Pete's sake, it actually worked. So there you go. Look at that. That's fancy. That is fancy. I should be an engineer. Now you're gonna put your little mechanism inside your box, and I just kind of gauged it to cut a hole with my eyeballs and then just kind of stuck it in there like so. The little cup bit itself was too small and I wanted a bigger box, so I kind of just worked it as I could and put another piece on it and then glued it to that other piece so I could have a bigger box, because Crux is not a small dog. The original video I saw this on, I was trying to go off their measurements, then realized halfway through it was for a small dog. Gonna put your little lever on and then your little ramp on. This is all just self-explanatory. You can kind of see me go through it, so enjoy my glue gunning skills. There you have it. You have a beautiful lever treat mechanism thing that you made yourself and you can be so proud of. I put some Ziwi Peaks in it because they're nice and small, and I had this free pack of them. I love Ziwi Peaks for training. So there you go. Crux, after I taught her how to use it, had a lot of fun with this, and I hope you do too.